Got an HWT file to customize your Huawei phone's appearance? This theme format transforms your device's look and feel. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install Huawei theme files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for HWT problems. See below for my top choice. A theme package used by Huawei smartphones running the EMUI or HarmonyOS interface. Users search for this file to customize their device's appearance, including wallpapers, icons, and lock screens. The primary user intent is to install a new theme downloaded from a third-party source onto their phone. The HWT file is a compressed archive, typically using the zip format, containing XML files for theme definitions, along with image assets, PNG, JPG for icons and wallpapers. This container-based design allows for easy packaging and distribution of all theme components into a single, manageable file for installation. An essential utility for interacting with HWT is recognized as Huawei Themes by Huawei Technologies Co. Ltd. Proper management of the file's internal compression logic requires a dedicated utility. Windows provides minimal clarity on contents, so full access relies on mobile management programs. Open the menu by right-clicking your HWT file and choosing Open With. Try Huawei Themes first. If it's absent, select another program. This trial and error process is crucial for troubleshooting. If the HWT file won't open, don't panic. The easy solution is off the table. We must now isolate the HWT error using these 3 focused and necessary troubleshooting steps. First, installing on Huawei devices. Transfer the HWT file to your Huawei device storage. Open the Themes app and use the import function to add the local theme. The theme appears in your themes library, ready for application. Activate the theme to transform your device's appearance with all included visual elements. Next, browsing Theme Store. Access additional HWT themes through the Huawei Theme Store app on your device. Browse free and paid themes across various categories with previews showing the customization effects. Purchase or download themes directly to your library for activation through the standard theme application process. Finally, creating custom themes. Use the Huawei theme editor available for advanced users to create custom HWT themes. Combine wallpapers, icon packs, and color schemes into cohesive theme packages. Distribute through community forums or sell through the Huawei theme store after meeting Huawei's quality and compatibility requirements. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out FileMagic.com to download now. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.